So in this video we're going to look at taking our printed material off the front of our printer. So I need to tape this one up to make sure it doesn't all come off. Just like that. Then I need to release it by pressing the green button just there, and then the same button on this side, and then it sits in these rollers at the front of the machine. Then I can take my bar off and lift it off. I then need to identify which side my lever is on. So it's on this side. Now a lot of people say, what happens if you can't pull this roll all the way through and you want to push it this way through instead? Well, obviously you can't hold on to the bar. So what we have is we have this tool, and with this tool you basically insert, so you push the lever down, you insert that into there at the same time, just like that, and then that keeps the pins down in position so we can just pull the bar out nice and easily. So then I can take this back out again, and now the pins are back in the upright position. Now to put my bar back on, put it back on the rollers and then push it back in position like that. So that's how we remove the roll from the front of our Canon Colorado M series printer.